In today's video, I will teach you how to place your photo into a magazine cover with AI. Let's get started. With AI tools inside ChatGPT, you don't need Photoshop skills or an expensive design program to be on the cover of a glossy fashion or lifestyle magazine. You can instantly transform your photo into a stylish magazine cover. Whether you want a fun mock-up for social media, or professional-looking portfolio piece, or just to see yourself as the next cover star, this tutorial will guide you step by step. So start by opening your browser, then go to ChatGPT, then log in with your free account. Now in the prompt box, click the plus icon, then select Create Image to enable AI image creation. Now click the plus icon again, then choose Add Photos or Files, or simply press Ctrl-U on your keyboard. Then select the photo that you want to place on a magazine cover. And make sure to choose a clear front-facing photo with good lighting. Portrait shot with a neutral background works best. Now this is where you tell the AI exactly what you want your magazine cover to look. And make sure to be very specific by including the style, theme, and magazine name that you want. Here are some good prompt examples. Now press enter and let the AI work its magic. Then wait a few seconds and your personalized magazine cover will appear. To refine your cover, click the generated image, then type follow-up instructions to improve it. And you can keep refining until you're satisfied. But take note that free accounts can only regenerate up to 5 images per day. And to do more, you'll need to upgrade your plan. Now to save or share your cover, hover over your final image. Then click download to save it to your computer, or click share to post it directly to social media. And here are some pro tips for best magazine covers. And that's it! You now know how to turn your photo into a professional magazine cover with AI. Perfect for fun projects, gifts, or eye-catching posts. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.